Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to wrap text around a circle in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show wrap text around circle. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape option. Now choose a circle shape. Now draw a circle shape. Now going to the shape fill option, then choose color. Now again shape outline option, then click for no outline. Now going to the wrap text option, then click for none option. Now move the around text middle option, then you show wrap text around circle in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.